In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ETrade stock screener. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of stocks out there, a screener helps you quickly narrow the field to companies that match the basic criteria you care about. First, log into your ETrade account so you can access the tools available to you. Once you're in, go to the main navigation and click Markets. This section is your gateway to market data, research tools, and screening features. From there, click Stock and then select Stock Screener. ETrade has a built-in stock screener designed to help you filter the market efficiently using straightforward criteria. When the screener opens, start with simple filters to keep things clear and actionable. Begin with price. Set a minimum and maximum share price that fit your comfort zone. A defined price range helps you avoid penny stocks if you don't want them, or skip higher price names if you're focusing on more affordable shares. Next, choose market cap. Market capitalization tells you the size of a company. Large caps are typically more established, mid caps offer a balance of growth and stability, and small caps can be more volatile but may present higher growth potential. Pick the size range that aligns with your risk tolerance and investing goals. Then set volume. Average daily volume gives you an idea of liquidity. Higher volume generally means it's easier to enter and exit positions with tighter bid-ask spreads, while very low volume can make trading more difficult. With those simple filters in place, price, market cap, and volume, click Show Results. The screener will return a list of stocks that match the criteria you selected. Take a moment to look at the stocks it finds. You'll typically see columns for the current price, market cap, and trading volume, among others. Use these at-a-glance details to confirm that the names on the list truly reflect what you intended to screen for. If you notice too many results, your filters may be too broad. If there are only a few, your filters may be too restrictive. The goal is a manageable list that highlights candidates worth a closer look. That's it. By logging in, navigating to markets, choosing stock and then stock screener, selecting simple filters, price, market cap, and volume, clicking show results, and reviewing the list, you've taken a focused, efficient approach to finding stocks that fit your basic criteria. Use this as a starting point for deeper research before making any investing decisions.